Hello, welcome to my first PC build. This is my first time doing this. We got my first PC build ready to go. Here's the parts right here. I'll start from here and work my way over here. Here we have the tough gaming B55 plus Wi-Fi 2 motherboard. Pretty good motherboard. Here we have the QuickView 6 Radeon RX 7600. Pretty good 1080p gaming card. We got some T-Force RAM, 32GB, white RGB. We have a Western Digital SSD, that's 1TB. We got the AMD RYZEN 5600X. It's a budget PC of now, but it's still get the job done. And here we have, we're gonna cool it, even though it comes with a cooler. I don't want to use that. I want to use my own cooler with RGB on it. So we got the Hyper 212 Halo Black. All right, we'll put that on it to keep it cool. We got the CORSAIR CX750M 750 watt power supply. CORSAIR is pretty solid. I think this is tier C on the PC tier list. And we have a RAID Max 910 case, ATX case. So here's everything that we got. We'll get the build. Start off with the motherboard first. We'll get back to you when I start doing that.